Hi, this is Brett at ASKA. Today I have a product I want to introduce called the Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh. This is a gadget that you put into your refrigerator to eliminate odors. So let's ask a few questions about it. How does it work? How long does it work? And what's inside it? So it looks like there's a plastic container on the outside with a paper filter on the inside, filled with pure baking soda, Arm & Hammer baking soda. And there's an indicator on the front that tells you how long it lasts. So we will peel this up to activate it, and there's a looks like a suction cup to stick it in the inside of your refrigerator. So I wonder how it works. Well, I have some smoked salmon in the refrigerator right now, so that makes the refrigerator smell pretty bad. So let's try it and see if it works.